If you don't want to put yourself or your business in financial distress, you want to make sure that you're not making this mistake. As a CPA and a part-time CFO for multiple small businesses, one of the most catastrophic mistakes a business owner can make is not paying quarterly taxes. So when we work on a W-2 basis, our taxes are taken out of our paycheck. And if you are self-employed, and what that looks like is if you own a small business or you're paid on a 1099, then the IRS expects you to calculate an estimate of your taxes and send that in quarterly. And if you don't do this calculation correctly at the end of the year when you go to file your taxes, you may have to pay a lot of taxes at one time. And that's where so many business owners get themselves into financial distress that they're unable to recover from. And we're not going to let that happen to you. And the IRS will not penalize or fine you if you either submit quarterly payments that are equal to what you owed in tax last year, or you calculate your taxes and at the end of the year owe $1,000 or less. So for example, last year, if your taxes were $12,000, they would expect you to make at least quarterly payments of $3,000, or they would expect you to make payments such that at the end of the year, you only owed $1,000. The best way to make sure that your taxes are being calculated correctly is to keep accurate financial data and work with a professional who can give you those calculations. And if you need to connect with somebody who can do that for you, at the top of my page, we can have a discussion to see what working together would look like.